Lolo and Lola. Today is my first day back to school. Bye-bye. And I don't want to eat my puppuccino today because I'm too excited. Hold on. Stay calm. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. We're going in soon. Ready? Ready to go? Okay.
Alright, sit. Oh, good boy. I know you're so excited.
Okay, bye, Chewbacca.
Come on, let's go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Thanks, have a good day.
I'm really nervous. And come on, let's go. Good boy. Good boy. Come on.
That's your first day back to school. Okay, time to go inside.
No pinning. Come on. Come on. Up a little. Come on. There. Fair fight. Fair fight. A fair play. There's another corgi, but he's got corgi and I was lost my train of thought. What does he have? Walter has corgi and I don't know. I'll think.
Luna, you be gentle.
I thought he was that small.
Yeah. They grow so fast.
Yeah, they grow so
Chewbacca, look. Bye. Happy birthday, Chewie. Happy birthday, Chewie. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Chewie. Eat, Chewie. Eat your favorite. Alisin mo kaya sa placemat.
Alisin mo yung placemat mo yan.
Hindi siya makakain.
Uy.
Kunin mo yung ano. Kakain yan. Ganun kung makakapo siya.
I-push mo konti. Push mo ng konti.
Yan, ganyan lang siya. Yan. Chewie! Happy birthday, Chewie! Happy birthday, Chewie! Ano ba yan, Mariel? Pulutin mo.
Here's Rex and
Chewbacca.
Chewbacca playing together.
Enjoy, Chewbacca? Enjoy, Chewbacca, man? Oh, boy. You enjoy the view? Chewbacca? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Takot siya. Dapat para makita ni mama ha. Hindi niya nakikita. Get video.
Chewbacca knows her. So
Yeah, yeah. Oh man, good boy.
And they're posing for a picture.
He doesn't know. He'll be like,
You're playing. Best friend, huh?
But she's American Cocker Spaniel, and he's part Spaniel.
So cute. They're so cute.
yeah, you can even tell by their hair. It's almost
Yeah.
like very similar.
But I have her shaved down. If I let her grow, it'd be thicker than that.
Oh yeah. He just got his first haircut too.
Where do you take him?
I got him. It was at this Hollywood place, kind of. It's by Gateway. They're 3 weeks full advance, but then when I got there to get a face trim, because that's the only one they allow walk-ins,
Yeah.
somebody canceled their thing. They didn't show up.
I've just started taking her to Oh My Dog,
Oh,
and that's really
I
good.
checked
That's
that.
just in Windermere.
I looked at that one. It's
Oh,
like
it's one of the
3 weeks
best.
advance.
Eh?
3 weeks advance for that
Right,
one.
and because it's so popular, but
Oh.
you can book ahead the appointments.
man. One
But
of them-
you don't have to rush if you go and pick them up. They say, oh, don't worry, they'll just play with the other dogs in the back.
Oh, that's nice.
Ayan, ayusin mo. Ayusin
Yeah,
mo,
it's kind of
Maria.
like a dog. That's where I got her collar.
Ayusin mo yung ano niya.
Good God.
Yeah, you go.
Yeah, that one, they're like all of them. Like actually, I ended up trying to call last week, and one of them was even like, "We're fully booked till November." And I'm like,
That's
"Really?"
because so many people book it.
The dogs, yeah. Like I didn't even
And I
realize.
have to get her done every 6 weeks.
Oh wow.
But yeah, they take pictures and everything when you take them.
No, you can't go for a walk. It's raining. Yeah, no, you can't. Maybe you can go outside later.
Here's Rex and
Chewbacca.
Chewbacca playing together.
Chewy, Chewy, my baby. No, he actually doesn't mind it. He doesn't care. God, he looks like a baby. Oh, ayan, cute yan. Ah, jika, 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 jika. Ah, jika, 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 jika.